Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to align the center pieces or doing the last step of the Rubik's Cube that will help you to solve the complete Rubik's Cube. So before I get started, I would ask you guys to kindly subscribe and leave a very positive comment. So let's get started. So what do I mean by aligning the center pieces? So I don't have the correct orange centerpiece here. I don't have blue centerpiece here. I don't have red centerpiece here. And I don't have green centerpiece here. So if you don't have the centerpieces that are correctly placed, we'll do a formula. But for that formula, we'll need to learn a notation. So when I move this layer like this, it was called right clockwise. Well, if you move the left layer like this, it is left anti-clockwise. And if you move it down like this, it is left clockwise, opposite of the right hand side. So this is right clockwise and this is right anti-clockwise. This is left anti-clockwise and this is left clockwise. So let's get started. So if I have to put a piece, so what do? This formula will work. And how does it work? What it does is that it moves this piece here, this piece here, and this piece here. So what I mean is that this orange piece will come here, thus completing the orange side. This blue and yellow piece will come here, so it will be green and blue. And here I will have this red piece. So yellow here and red here. So I will have red and blue here. So let's do that formula. So the formula is, you hold the cube like this and then do that formula. So the formula is face clockwise, again face clockwise, upper clockwise, left clockwise, right anti-clockwise, face clockwise, again face clockwise, left anti-clockwise, right clockwise, upper clockwise, face clockwise, and finally again face clockwise. So just as I said, the orange side is completely solved. Blue and green here, red and blue here. So we have a full complete side. What we want to do is we want to keep it away from us. So we will keep the side away from us. So the side is now placed away. And now I will have to do that formula from here. So it will take 2 steps. Let's see how. I have to move this green piece here, this red piece here, and this blue piece here. But I won't have solved the cube. So I will do that formula again, holding the cube like this. So my green piece comes here, my red piece comes here, and my blue piece comes here. So let's do it. Face clockwise, again face clockwise, upper clockwise, left clockwise, right anti-clockwise, face clockwise, again face clockwise, left anti-clockwise, right clockwise, upper clockwise, face clockwise, and finally again face clockwise. So now we will have to do that formula again so that we can solve the full Rubik's Cube. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here and this piece will come here, thus solving the whole cube. So blue and blue match, green and green match, red and red match. So this is the last step. Let's do that formula again. So the formula is face clockwise, again face clockwise, upper clockwise, left clockwise, right anti-clockwise, face clockwise, again face clockwise, left anti-clockwise, right clockwise, upper clockwise, face clockwise, and finally again face clockwise. So this red side is complete, this blue side is complete, and this green side is complete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the 6 sides of the cube have been solved. So congratulations on solving the Rubik's Cube. And if you have solved the Rubik's Cube, leave it down in the comments below. And if you haven't smashed that like button, click on the like button. And if you don't want to miss more awesome content like this, click on the subscribe button as well. Congratulations on solving your Rubik's Cube.